Yeah, are we getting ready to go trick-or-treating? Daniel, are we going to go trick-or-treat? Yeah. Look, Sammy's ready to trick-or-treat. Yeah. Daniel, you're ready to trick-or-treat, aren't you? Yeah.
Bag should be in the kitchen.
Uh-oh, someone's coming to the door, Daniel.
Do you want to go give him candy?
Okay, let's give him candy.
Okay, let's give him candy. Come on, honey.
Okay, come on.
Come on.
Hurry up. Stuck?
Are you stuck? There's a lot of kids here.
Yay, help give candy.
Give candy. Thank you. You're welcome.
Give candy.
Give candy? You don't?
No, it's okay.
You have one.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh, princess.
Look, there's a Tigger over there, Em.
Tigger.
That's my baby.
That's your baby?
That's your baby?
Oh,
He's got
yeah.
a baby too. He's in there on the couch.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
It's about to cry again. It's about to cry again. It doesn't like being a pea in a pod. Sorry, sweetie.
It's so cute though.
Oh, dear. Here you go, Pea. Here you go. You're silly.
Cart is full.